Well, thank you for clicking on this video. That's the first thing I want to say to you. And the next thing I want to say to you is that if you've made it to this video, if you've found your way here, then the best thing you can do next is to book a call with me. And that first call is a chance for us to get to know each other, but it's also a chance for me to start helping you with whatever it is on your mind right now. And I know I'm supposed to niche and all that stuff as a coach or somebody who helps people, but I don't tend to do that. I tend to see that with this inside out understanding, whatever it is that you're coming with, I can help to point you towards the truth of how that experience is being created. And that's what's helpful. So I guess it's more important really to describe for you the space that I'm going to provide for you to do that. And the first thing about that space is that it's a space where you will be listened to, really listened to. I don't know which colleague of mine it was that said this, but one of them said, everybody needs a good listening to. And that's the invitation, is for you to be listened to. And the other thing that's unique, I think, about the space I provide is that it's calm. There's not any hustling or jostling. There's not any of me telling you what to do to make things right. There's none of that. But there's a space, a gentle, guiding, loving space where you can spend an hour or so with me and start to see, I hope, something different for yourself. No matter whether you're feeling stressed out or anxious or overwhelmed or just generally stuck, or your life is just not quite where you want it to be right now, I can help with that. But you've come all this way. Somehow you found your way to this page. And from this page, if you scroll down, there are lots of different things you could do. But really, I'd love to talk to you. I'd love to connect with you. I'd love for us to have that conversation. Now, I will probably tell you a little bit about ways of working with me. But then if you have a little trawl around my website, you can find out about those anyway. And I will invite you for further conversations in some way, shape, or form. But in the main part of that hour, which is complimentary, it's on me, is for you to share where you're at. And for me to help you to start seeing the source of your suffering, whatever that is. So right below this video, there's a button to press where you can get into my calendar. And I hope when you do that, you will find a slot that suits you. But if you don't, because we might be in a different time zone or whatever, then I'd like you to just drop me a message. And we'll find a way. There's a place to drop that message to me below here too. And we'll find a way to talk. We'll make an arrangement. I'll open up a slot in my diary. I can do that. The joys of working for yourself. So I really hope that we talk in person soon, because no doubt you have accessed some of my content somewhere in the world, somewhere on the internet. And if you've clicked through to this link, you're ready to take the next step. Don't wait and don't suffer any longer. Just press that button and we'll talk and I'll help. Take care. And I really hope we speak soon. Lots of love.